Have you ever wondered how a banana gets from the farm to your lunchbox? It might seem simple, but the journey of a banana is actually a fascinating adventure that spans thousands of miles and involves many hard-working hands. From the moment a banana plant is first planted in the soil, to the time you peel it open for a snack, there's a whole world of activity happening behind the scenes. It's a journey full of hard work, clever machines, and dedicated people. Every banana you eat has been carefully grown, picked, processed, and packed by teams of experts who make sure it arrives fresh and delicious. The process is a blend of traditional farming methods and modern technology, all working together to bring you the perfect banana. It all starts on a sunny farm, where tiny banana plants sprout from the soil. These young plants need plenty of sunshine, water, and care to grow strong. Farmers watch over them every day, making sure they have the right nutrients and protection from pests. Over time, these little plants grow taller and stronger, eventually becoming the lush banana trees we all recognize. The early days are crucial. Farmers use special irrigation systems to keep the soil moist and rich, and they add natural fertilizers to help the plants grow. It takes months of patience and attention before the first banana bunches begin to appear. Some bananas are sold fresh, while others are transformed into crunchy banana chips. The journey doesn't end at the farm. Once harvested, bananas are sorted based on their size and ripeness. The best ones are packed into crates to be shipped around the world, while others are sliced and cooked to become tasty snacks. From planting to harvesting, every step matters. Farmers carefully monitor the plants as they grow, checking for signs of disease or pests. When the bananas are ready, skilled harvesters cut the heavy bunches from the trees, making sure not to damage the delicate fruit. Farmers nurture the plants, harvesters collect the fruit, and factories prepare them for their next destination. In the factories, workers wash and inspect each banana, ensuring only the best make it to your table. It's a team effort, with everyone playing a vital role in the banana's journey. We'll follow the banana from its humble beginnings, watch it grow, and see how it's harvested. The transformation from a tiny sprout to a bunch of ripe bananas is truly amazing, and it takes months of careful work and attention to detail. Then, we'll discover how bananas are washed, sorted, and packed for shops worldwide. Each banana is gently cleaned and checked for quality before being placed in boxes that travel by truck, ship, or even airplane to reach stores near you. We'll also explore how soft bananas become crispy chips. In special kitchens, bananas are sliced, fried, and seasoned to create a crunchy treat that's enjoyed by people everywhere. It's just one of the many ways bananas can be enjoyed. So, let's dive into the world of banana production, and meet the people who make it all happen. From the farmers in the fields, to the workers in the factories, each person has a unique story, and a special job that helps bring bananas to your table. By the end, you'll have a new appreciation for the banana's incredible journey. You'll see just how much care, effort, and teamwork goes into every single banana you eat. It all begins in the rich, warm earth of a banana plantation where the story of every banana starts. So next time you enjoy a banana, remember the amazing adventure it took to reach you. Bananas don't start from seeds, but from small shoots called suckers taken from mature plants. These suckers are actually offshoots that grow at the base of a banana plant, and they're carefully separated from the parent plant by skilled farmers. Unlike many other fruits, bananas are propagated this way because the bananas we eat are seedless, making traditional seed planting impossible. Each sucker is a genetic clone of its parent, ensuring the next generation of banana plants will produce the same delicious fruit. Workers plant these suckers in neat, organized rows, giving each one plenty of space to stretch its roots and leaves. The layout of the plantation is carefully planned to maximize sunlight and airflow, which helps prevent disease and encourages healthy growth. Each young plant is gently placed into a hole, with the soil pressed firmly around its base to provide support. The soil is carefully prepared before planting, often enriched with organic matter to provide nutrients. Gentle watering systems, like drip irrigation or sprinklers, keep the ground moist without oversaturating it. Consistent moisture is crucial for the young plants to establish strong roots and begin their journey toward maturity. It takes anywhere from 9 to 20 months for a banana plant to mature and produce fruit, depending on the variety and local climate. During this time, the plant grows rapidly, sending up a tall, sturdy stem and broad green leaves that capture sunlight for photosynthesis. The transformation from a small sucker to a towering banana plant is truly remarkable. Farmers watch over the plants every day, ensuring they thrive in the warm, humid climate that bananas love. They check for pests, diseases, and signs of nutrient deficiency, making adjustments as needed to keep the plants healthy. Their expertise and attention are vital for a successful harvest. As the plant grows taller, a large purple bud eventually appears at the top. This bud, known as the inflorescence, contains the future banana flowers. Over time, the bud peels back to reveal rows of tiny flowers, each one with the potential to become a banana. Farmers sometimes trim the bud or remove some of the flowers to help the plant focus its energy on growing a big, healthy bunch of bananas. This careful pruning ensures that the fruit develops fully and reaches the right size and sweetness. The cycle is continuous. While some plants are ready for harvest, new suckers are always growing at the base of mature plants. This overlapping of generations means there's always a new crop on the way, keeping the plantation productive throughout the year. After producing fruit, the main stem of the banana plant dies back, completing its life cycle. But the story doesn't end there. The new suckers growing nearby are ready to take its place, continuing the process without interruption. This sustainable method of propagation keeps the farm productive year after year, reducing the need for replanting and minimizing waste. It's a natural, efficient system that supports both the environment and the farmers' livelihoods. Thanks to this ongoing cycle, there's a steady supply of bananas for factories and shops around the world. From local markets to international supermarkets, these bananas begin their journey in the fields, nurtured by careful hands. Every banana you eat starts with this careful, ongoing process, a blend of tradition, science, and hard work. The next time you peel a banana, remember the journey it took from a tiny sucker to a delicious snack. The journey from field to snack begins here, with each step laying the foundation for the bananas we enjoy every day. Growing bananas isn't just about planting and watering. They need protection from pests and disease. Farmers patrol the fields, removing diseased leaves and watching for insects like aphids and mites. Carefully applied pesticides help control pests, using just enough to protect the plants without harming the environment. In large plantations, machines or even aircraft may spray protective mists over the crops. Strict guidelines keep workers, plants, and consumers safe. This constant vigilance ensures a healthy harvest. Without it, a year's crop could be lost. The expertise of farmers is crucial to delivering high-quality bananas. Protecting the plants is the first step in bringing perfect bananas to your table. After months of care, it's harvest time, but bananas are picked while still green. Harvesters use calipers to check if the fruit is mature enough. A skilled team works together. One cuts the plant, another catches the heavy bunch. The bunches, sometimes weighing over 45 kilograms, are gently lowered and carried to a transport system. Modern plantations use overhead cables to move bananas quickly and safely to the factory. Soft padding and careful handling prevent bruising. Every detail matters to protect the delicate fruit. The goal: deliver perfect, unblemished bananas to the factory. This teamwork and precision set the stage for the next step. The journey continues at the factory gates. Bananas arrive at the factory via overhead cable and get a refreshing wash to remove dirt and germs. Protective paper is removed and the bananas are ready for inspection. Quality experts check a sample banana for freshness and maturity. Only the best fruit moves forward. Next, the bunches are submerged in water tanks for a second, deeper clean. Workers cut the large bunches into smaller clusters called hands. These hands are trimmed and sorted into trays. The trays move along a conveyor to be weighed for packaging. Each step ensures only top-quality bananas are packed. Cleanliness and precision are key. The bananas are now ready for their final packaging. The journey from field to factory is almost complete. After weighing, bananas move to the sealing line for a crucial treatment. Workers apply a special liquid to the cut stems to prevent infection and browning. In the packaging room, bananas are layered in boxes lined with polythene bags. Each layer is carefully arranged and separated by the liner to prevent bruising. The box is vacuum sealed, creating a modified atmosphere that slows ripening. This keeps bananas green and firm for their long journey. The box is sealed and ready for shipping in refrigerated containers. This packaging technology ensures bananas arrive fresh in supermarkets worldwide. Every step is designed for maximum freshness and protection. The bananas are now ready for their global journey. Next, we'll see how some bananas take a different path to become chips. Not all bananas are destined for the fruit bowl. Some are selected for a unique journey, one that transforms them into the crunchy, irresistible banana chips we love to snack on. This process begins with careful selection, as only the firmest green bananas are chosen for their ideal texture and starch content, which are perfect for chip making. In the factory, skilled workers peel the tough green skins by hand or with specialized machines, revealing the pale, firm pulp inside. This step is crucial, as the green bananas are much harder to peel than ripe ones, but their firmness ensures the chips will be crisp and not soggy. Next, the peeled bananas are swiftly sliced into thin, even rounds by high-speed machines. For some varieties, the bananas are ground into a smooth paste, which is then shaped into fun snack forms. The thickness of each slice is carefully controlled, as it determines the final crunch and texture of the chip. The banana slices, or shaped pieces, are then dropped into vats of hot oil. Here, they sizzle and bubble as they fry, transforming from soft slices into golden, crispy chips. The temperature and timing are closely monitored to ensure every chip is perfectly cooked. As the chips fry, the intense heat drives out moisture from the banana slices. This evaporation is what gives banana chips their signature crunch and satisfying snap when you bite into them. Once fried, the chips are quickly transferred to spinning or vibrating machines. These clever devices shake off and spin away any excess oil, making sure the chips aren't greasy and stay light and crisp. This vital step not only improves the texture but also helps the chips cool down evenly, locking in their crunch and preventing them from sticking together. Meanwhile, the used oil is filtered and cleaned so it can be reused for the next batch. This makes the process more efficient and environmentally friendly, reducing waste and keeping production costs down. Now the freshly fried banana chips are golden and perfectly crisp. They're collected onto trays or conveyors, ready for the next stage, flavoring. At this point, the chips are still warm, which helps the seasoning stick better. From the moment the bananas arrive at the factory to the final crispy chip, the transformation is fast, efficient and precise. Every step is carefully controlled to ensure quality and consistency in every bite. Next comes the fun part, seasoning. Workers or machines sprinkle a variety of flavors onto the chips, from classic salted to sweet honey or spicy chili, giving each batch its unique taste. Finally, the seasoned chips are packed into bags, sealed for freshness, and sent out to stores, ready for you to enjoy as a crunchy, delicious snack anytime. Freshly fried chips tumble into a flavoring drum, where seasoning is evenly applied. The chips move to an advanced packaging machine. A multi-head weigher portions out the exact amount for each packet. Packaging film forms a tube, fills with chips, and is sealed top and bottom. Some machines flush the bag with nitrogen to keep chips fresh and crunchy. Sealed packets drop onto a conveyor, ready for boxing. Workers pack the bags into boxes, stamp them with important info, and seal them for shipping. The chips are now ready for stores and snack lovers everywhere. From green banana to crunchy chip, the process is fast and efficient. Every packet tells the story of careful preparation. The journey from farm to snack is complete. The banana's journey is a story of care, teamwork, and innovation. From planting and protecting to harvesting and processing, every step matters. Some bananas are packed fresh for your fruit bowl. Others become crunchy chips for your snack cupboard. Modern technology and skilled hands work together to deliver quality. Next time you eat a banana or open a bag of chips, remember the journey it took. Countless people played a part in bringing it to you. The humble banana's story is global, fascinating, and delicious. Enjoy every bite. There's a world of effort behind it.